In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your PayPal account number. While PayPal doesn't issue a traditional bank-style account number, many services use the phone number registered to your PayPal as the account number they're asking for. Think of it as the key identifier tied to your profile. In some cases, your PayPal email is also used as an identifier. But today, we'll focus on finding the phone number on your account so you know exactly where to look. Start by going to PayPal's official website and signing into your account. Make sure you're on the legitimate PayPal site by checking the URL and the lock icon in your browser's address bar. This helps protect your information and ensures you're not entering credentials on a spoofed site. Once you're signed in, go to Settings. You'll usually find the gear icon in the upper right corner of the page. This is where your personal details, security options, and contact methods are managed, and it's the quickest path to the information you need. Inside Settings, navigate to the section for your profile details and look for phone numbers. This is the page that lists all the phone numbers you've added to your PayPal account. If you have more than one, you'll see which number is marked as primary. That primary number is typically the one services mean when they ask for your PayPal account number. It's the number PayPal associates most closely with your account for contact and verification. If you're checking this because a service requested your PayPal account number for identification or to match records, copy the primary number exactly as it appears, including the country code if needed. Keep in mind that different regions and services may have their own conventions, but the primary phone number on this page is the standard reference on your PayPal profile. A few quick best practices as you do this. Always verify you're using the correct country code when sharing your number internationally. Never share one-time security codes or passwords. No legitimate service will ask for those just to confirm your account number. And remember that if a service allows using your PayPal email instead, that can sometimes be simpler and just as effective. That's it. Go to PayPal, open Settings, and view your phone numbers to find the primary number linked to your account. With this, you'll have the information most services mean when they ask for your PayPal account number. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you move forward with confidence.